everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming at you, man. Hey, today we got a small installation that's going on cone, man, and we're gonna get to it right after this, baby. Let's get it. We're going to be installing the CVO gauges right here on a 107. Man, I want to thank Harley Davidson for sending these over, y'all. But y'all check it out, man. Check out how this baby's going to look right here. That's going to look real good. I should be able to see that. And one thing about these, I think the lights are LED lights in here, and they white, and these are orange. So it's going to make it that much better so I can see really good at night and in the daytime. So, and I do have the fuel and the voltage gauge as well. So yeah, let's get it on here, y'all. I think it's a T27 right here, or T25. What I'm gonna do first, y'all, I'm gonna take my bars off, because the way my bars are made, I don't want to scratch my bars up. And this is what we're gonna be using here. So yeah, so let's get that done. So I'm not gonna video me putting the tape on here. We're gonna tape it up, then we're gonna get these two screws out, and we're gonna remove this from here, all right? Let's get it done. Okay, y'all, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna pop this off here. All you gotta do is pop this little clip up under there that you pop, and just pop that off. We're gonna turn that here. These are two dummy plugs right behind here, right here. So when we get the two screws off, on the screw off on each side, we should be able to pop that off. And we're just gonna pull this up here. And like I said, you got two dummy plugs back here. And you got the centerpiece plug right here. You gotta take this main plug off right here. That will control everything. And you have dummy plugs right here. That's one of them off right there. And you wanna take your flathead screwdriver, but be careful on this right here. You wanna just kinda and you got the dummy plug here, y'all. And this one over here is kind of, they got the pinch part toward the front of the plastic right here, so it'll be a little bit harder to get off. But y'all, let me get that pinched off. I'm about to use a screwdriver to go up in here and try to hit that little clip to get off. Make sure you get your T25. You got 3 screws right here, y'all. That is it. 3 screws. Only part that's gonna be the hard part, y'all, is when I gotta take the whole fairing off for the gauges to go on. So other than that, I'd rather do this one first. It's the easy part. See that? Easy cakewalk, baby. Cakewalk. So yeah, let me show you the difference. Look at that. That's gonna look real nice on the bike, y'all. So yeah, let's get these on right here. Wipe this down a little bit. And y'all make sure you cover your tank up too as well. You don't want to get your tank all scratched up. So it come with the plastic over it. Just pull it off. Hey y'all, make sure you get this and you turn your bike on. Get your correct mileage off of here. I'm not sure, but I think the ECM gonna pick up this, and you be able to, it'll put in there automatically. But if you have to put in there manual, make sure you get these right numbers right here. So I took a picture of those numbers. So yeah, we're gonna get that put on, and get this installed. So let's get to it. Hey, make sure you pop these off of here. They just kind of snugged on there a little bit. That's about it. But make sure you get these off because they got to go here and go right there. And you just put these on top of it here. So yeah, let's get it snugged down and get it put back on the bike, y'all. And make sure you just kind of snug it on here. But make sure you get all your bolts started before you tighten all of them up. Snug them up real good. Don't overdo it. You don't want to break them. Oh man, look how that look, baby. Look at it. That looks real good, y'all. So yeah, so we're gonna get it put back on the bike. Get the little cables. These are the dummy cables here. Just kind of push them back on here. It's a dummy cable. Just push it back on these spots where you got the dummy plugs. And you got 2 of them. So yeah, you just get them, put them back on here. And this is the main one right here that you need to get plugged up. See, that's why I wanted to take my bars up, y'all. To make sure that I didn't scratch my bars up. It's a little tight spot to work in, y'all. Man, that looks really good. So you just do that and get your screws put back on the side. And then we'll go to the next thing. We gotta pull the whole fairing off. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So let's get to it. Hey man, y'all tell me what y'all think of that right there. What y'all think of that look right there? Oh, it just makes it look totally different, man. I love that look right there. So man, we finna get to it. We finna get these 2 gauges in right here. We gotta pop the windshield. We got 4 bolts, 2 on each side here. We got 1 inside the speaker grill, so we gotta pop the speaker grill. And we got this bolt here, and we got a bolt right down here at the bottom on each side that we have to pop off. So we're gonna pop these off real quick. And as soon as we get these popped off and get the fairing off, and I'll show y'all the inside and what we got to do on the inside. All right, let's get to it. This is like a 3/16 Allen head right here, y'all. Hey, if you don't have a magnet tray for your screws, make sure you get you one, man, so you can keep up with your screws. All right. And I think this go back to the T25 or T27 right here. That's the only one you need to take out. You don't have to take off the top one. This will be it. And we'll go on the other side and do the same exact thing. So let's get to it, baby. We getting it done. Y'all, you got 2 screws on each side. I already took this one out right here. That screw already out. And you got 1 on this side. And after I take this one out, my fairing should fall. But I'm right in front of my fairing so that I can catch it. So I'm leaning up against it. So yeah, this is it right here. So that should be all the screws. We're gonna get the fairing off, and I'm gonna show you what we need to do. Oh, you know what? I forgot to take my connectors off right here for my lights. So yeah. I don't want to get my lights scratched up, man. Oh. So it's kind of leaning to the side right there. All right. I got it off, y'all. Y'all, it's gonna take a little thing, you know, don't think you just gonna jump in here and pull this off. You're gonna have to move some stuff around. I had to take off 3 screws here to move the side. We got 1 screw that goes here, 1 here, and 1 down here. So I had to move that and stuck my hand in there, and I got some pretty long little deals to go in there, T27s and stuff to go in there to get that off. So yeah, so it's gonna take a little finagling, I guess that's how you say it, to get this off. So you're gonna have to move this. See how this is moving right here? So it's not, see, but when I lock it back down, put the screws back in, it goes right here. But yeah, so it's gonna be a little job. So if you decide to change your gauges out, because I know a lot of people are getting the quarter gauges, but and make sure you be careful with this so you don't break this right here, that little tab. There's 3 little tabs right here. Just kind of push it down just a little bit, and they should pop right off. But be careful, because you will snap this. Just take your flathead screwdriver and push down on these right here, these little tabs, and they should pop right out. There we go. And they should pop right into the other one. So, like I say, don't rush and do this. You gotta take it out of here, because you got to reuse this right here. So, I'm gonna take this one and put this one in here. Let me take the plastic off. I don't want to take it all the way off right now, but I guess I got to. And we're just gonna stick it back in there just like that. Make sure it slide in there, because it goes a certain way, and you have one cable to hook to here. That's it. It's just one cable to come off, and you just go back and pop these in there, and just be careful. Make sure you got it lined up right, and that you don't break anything. And it goes back just like that. You got 3 screws. I dropped one of my screws, but make sure you be careful with that, okay? So, but we're gonna get this on. Like I say, I won't show you the other side, but I'm letting you know you got 3 screws to move this right here. And then you put them back and it'll be reattached. So we're gonna get this on. And matter of fact, let me show you the cable. This is the cable here. It's the cable to lock it down right here. So yeah. And that'll be it on that. And then just be careful, put it back in there. And that you don't pinch any wires at all. So yeah, so we'll get to it. So we'll get it with y'all when we get it all put back together. When you see me the next time, everything will be bolted in, and you tell me what you think about it, all right? I see y'all in the future, all right? Hey man, we got it all buttoned up and everything, so we gonna, you know, fire it up. We ain't gonna fire it up, but we're gonna turn the switch to see how it looks. Make sure everything is on the up and up. Let's get it. Oh man, that looks good. Oh yeah, my mileage jumped up. So it did do it on its own, y'all. So it read it from the ECM down here. So you don't have to even worry about that. So I was wondering, but I did take a picture just to make sure I had the odometer right. It got my fuel right, my voltage is right. So man, just look at it, y'all. Look at how it looks. But we're gonna get a close-up of it. I wanted to just come on here and show this to you all before I button everything back up. So we finna get everything buttoned up and get it on here, man. I'm excited about that, man. I love the way that looked. Oh my God, it changed the whole look of the bike up here. So man, let me get this on here, man. We'll get a look and we'll end the video, okay? Hold on. What up, y'all? We finally got it done, man. But that's gonna be it, y'all. We're gonna take one more look at it, man. Y'all check it out right here. We're gonna turn the lights on. That boy looks good, y'all. But that is it, y'all. Everything is on point. But man, that's gonna be it, y'all. But until next time, baby, the next grind, y'all stay tuned in, all right? Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy, because we got more stuff going on, Cone. So I mean, more stuff, y'all. So man, till next time, y'all, next grind. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe and have a Merry Christmas. I'm out. Peace.